Eh? Catapult inside body. This one self rope. Shoe self rope.
Is it your shoelace?
All of you are just rope. You are roping yourself around.
I don't know how
and putting yourself in problem. You are roping yourself.
Shut up.
I mean,
I don't know how it's really your concern.
even your earpiece rope, your hair self rope, everything. What do people wear that's natural again?
You wear things that's natural.
People they even fix fake this thing for waiting they worry women.
What concern you?
Eh?
Is it your fixing?
Anyway,
your face
while Mayowa is fixing her footy, her leg. If you like, go show everybody cinema. If you like, show them, say, you can show the whole world. Say things here. Now you and Oga go fight the remaining fight.
Why so angry?
Ladies and gentlemen, how that day?
So upset.
What's the word the words for back? It's my fight. What's wrong to you? It's my fight. On behalf of Uncle Ekbo, I stand here to... I know people be lawyer. I know people be lawyer. God know I go lose case where.
So you know?
I go to lose case. Have you finished tying?
Yes.
Think we know say you know go show them since now. Are you okay?
No. But I can manage.
You can manage?
Yeah.
So now welcome, ladies and gentlemen. How on a day? Hopes everybody did very okay and very, very kajad. Rains this morning.
Oh, it's been a rainy day.
It's been a rainy day. Listen to the radio. You know that song? You know if you know them. It's not for children.
What?
It ain't for kids, man.
What?
It ain't for kids. Listen to the
I
radio.
don't want to sit down.
Oh, listen to the radio.
I want to stand near you today. I don't want to sit down.
When you go to say no one show everybody cinema, you say what is.
I don't want to say.
You see, rain before cold is cold everywhere. You the open things.
Where? How? When?
Anyway,
I'm wearing a denim dress. What the hell is the problem now?
Don't worry. You want a gum leg like this.
What's your problem now? I am being a lady. I am sitting like a lady.
Wow.
What's wrong with sitting like a lady?
You can't find no.
I'm a fine girl.
Wow.
You understand this thing? Look. God, I have
you know what I really like about the fact that, you try very hard and it comes out good.
You are very foolish.
My name is Ogbalor and she
is Mayowa. Welcome to Paddy, this beautiful, gorgeous, elevated, rainy Tuesday.
Waiting elevated, fine inside.
No, because your spirit is uplifted.
Okay.
So we come here to elevate their souls.
Elevated. Now they look like that. So you say you tripped. I say, and they drop it like it's her.
Oh my word. Okay, so we go just go straight into the matter. And don't forget, say for Paddy, I would like to do the rundown because
they say me we do it.
They say me we do it. And then we can't think and say, okay, let's help them, give them brain.
Yes.
Because of people will be saying maybe this is not your first time where they watch the show.
Exactly.
You need to understand that the theme of this show is quite an unwellness. If you are somebody where we say you they think straight, you know if you really understand the show. Because we know our type. You understand? So if you are our type, you will love the show.
Exactly.
And everybody in this world is our type. Because 5 minutes of madness, they inside everybody.
Yes.
So if now your first time when you watch her, welcome to Paddy.
Yes.
When we open the show, we talk rubbish. After the rubbish, we come and give you yarn, where we actually talk things where make sense. Then after that one, we will now come and carry you and come and go to Laugh the Laugh. Something to elevate your day. After that one, we will now tell you where you will see us on social media. We will now go. Esa, Oga behind the camera, you say we should give them rundown. I've given them rundown. Let's go break. Before salary go miss now, say person no do.
48.
Go run down. Give me say break.
48. deep.
Very deep.
Answer God, and he will show you springs of living water.
You see, here's the thing. Make I give you the description of that video we just watched now.
Just give them a...
You know, when I don't pose like this, it comes to me.
Oh,
listen, yeah. It didn't really matter much what you think about your ways.
What you think about your
because you might think that your ways
make
sense. But you see, the ways, the plans that God of the whole universe, when he gets for you, is quite bigger.
It's quite bigger,
much stronger, quite clearer than your own ways. Why you no go just do your hard work and submit the rest to him? Why you want to die? Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want a drop of water instead of having spring of water? Why you don't want to have sense? Why you want to queue for fuel when you can enter and buy at more expensive price without queue? Yeah, don't come and go and die for nothing.
Don't come and die for nothing.
End of story.
End of story. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Yarn the Yarn.
Look who's coming up. Look who's coming up. Excuse me, I have a confession.
Yeah.
Here's my confession.
Confess it.
I didn't really read my story.
You go read them live.
So here is news for you. I decide to give you news.
No, you go do it in a professional way now. In a professional way. You understand? Let them know, say, you are a transcribist.
Okay.
Like it with them.
Here is the news we consign. This one are the news we consign Lagos State. Officials of Lagos State Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development on top Monday, they don't catch one man where we say, no, be say it's too old like that. In name na Adeyemi Adebayo, where we say the thing when they do, now to they give people fake notice for them to uproot the house where they don't range, put for inside their building. In come follow contact say, this one, and because him be town planning official, where we say, if ya nothing town planning the man for inside this particular matter. Now for this particular write-up put where we say Lagos State to release, State Chief Public Affairs Officer for the Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development, Shina Odunuga, the fake town planner Adebayo, where we say in talk saying come out from Osun State and in the state for Anuoluwapo area of Ilogbo in Osun State. They don't follow talk say now as in be so in day for inside come and sit down here drink garri with rats. For now.
Oh.
They have catched him.
They have catched him.
They have put him in a safe place.
Wow.
Where he's going to answer the law. Because as the workers where they build the house, as they just see officials of ministry.
Yes.
After the Adebayo don't come. Because in go one building where then they build house.
Okay.
As a town planning official. Go give them notice. Say, hey, bail up.
Bail up you there.
Pack your load. Come and be going. Now in them talk say,
Uncle.
Lagos State didn't used to do it like that.
No.
They used to give us notice. They will not just come and say, pack your load and be going. You understand? But after the guy don't go, say, I come back, I give you 2 hours, I come back. Now the real officials come.
Oh.
Now they come to say the ID card.
Uncle, GBT.
What do you go blame on top poverty? I'm married. I have 2 children. Help me. I want to take care of my children. You are a cunning man.
You are a thief.
You are a thief.
Only.
Theft is your middle name. Your name is Adebayo Theft. Whatever your other name
exactly. Ole, Ajibole. They have catch you. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. But you outside there, be careful. You understand me? You have to have people for their identification. So, uncle, you are working where? Your organ number, uncle, make I call your organ them, your authority over you. All right? So you should shine your eye very well because bad people they
no verse. Sorry, this thing is important. It make one valid point. No verse. You know what the guy talk? The guy talk say, well, say he don't work for plenty secretariat and all those kind of things then. Because now he used to be a staff. The man come to say, una know what the problem of this country be. Not beside they proud of what I do, but una no go just decide the country no good, just sack people anyhow. So you leave us with no choice.
Choice day, Jare. Choice day. Say they sack you, mean say you go carry gun, go to shoot person.
You know,
or go to do bad thing. No keep person, but not free now. Anyway, he has a choice to do good thing or do bad thing. But government itself, make yourself shook eye for the whole level. Now, my own gist now this morning. Indian Baba. The guy na Baba, and Indian.
He's a cutter of hair.
Yes. He did, you know. So, as it be, Now this guy, before he are using his hand to cutting hair.
His hand
no, you go to use hand.
Okay.
Now leg they do the thing before.
Sorry, man.
You go to do them. So you go cutting the hair.
I'm dull this morning.
That's why you slow this morning.
I slow this morning.
The rain will fall.
My intelligence is really not picking up this morning.
So the guy go to use hand. One time he can't get one accident. So the accident affects one of his hand.
Okay.
So he can say, okay, make one hand disappear, making they use one hand. They do. The way some baba say they do, they shave us.
Hey.
We say they skin goat. They just carry our head up like this.
Yeah.
You could say, Uncle, you dey pure foul body. What's the worry you? Now, this guy, he can't say one hand no come to the day okay for him. To the use no, they cut hair. All of a sudden, he just discover one day, say, man, he go fit use a mouth till the whole scissors.
Hello, Esa, wall up. What you say? Situation. Not be every situation will happen to you. Will bring you down.
Yes.
Now ain't be bad luck. Sometimes you no go know the potential where you get until some kind of things happen to you.
Exactly. So you just have to find. Most times some people they don't see. Who talks in only hand? We fit the right. Some people don't prove say if you use leg they even right.
Oh yeah.
Some people don't prove say you can't use your legs to do other things where your hand supposed to do. At the same time, I don't see people when no get leg where they use hand waka. And not say they can't go to beg. They still go normal walk, and they go dress up, do other things. So your own not be.
You need to be careful. Ogbolo, wetin you read for school?
Me, marketing.
You know wetin me I read for school? Architecture. Autonomous stars. The funny thing be say, but what we are doing, we are talking. My brother, when situation of something owe you, you won't really know the talent that you have in you.
Exactly.
Because when the thing hook you, you do.
You will discover talent within and without. You will know yourself more than where you were before.
That is
the who in the inside of you will come out.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, you don't know yourself right now.
Know.
Until blow you. Until
blow you.
Until what? Blow you.
When it blow you, then you will look at yourself and say, wow, I don't even really like this thing I read in school.
Yes.
I like this one better because it's paying the
personal discovery.
Give us break. Discover yourself.
Yes.
You didn't know.
We are engineer, we are mechanic, we are counselor. We know the sell coffee.
If we tell you what to do your car now, if we tell you what to do
right
for the next 7 years, you don't go service your car.
Seriously.
When we tell you what to do.
Not be joke. See, why we don't they do like this?
These people don't know.
Show that like this.
You don't know.
We don't know also.
You don't know what we are capable. Who be this? They don't start.
All this mumu laugh. We will now they put for us.
Up and down, up and down.
One mumu go they laugh for back. So for your slimming stomach, you have heard it now. So you can go. If you want more information on top of the whole thing, let us know on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Now, the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, NCAA, they don't ban the launching of drone. Drone that it be like small aeroplane. It's small like this, but na camera. You can take the passport. So now they say they don't ban unauthorized use of those things. They call them drones. So if they never give you authority, or they never authorize you, or they never sign your own, drone be this. They never sign and say make you the user and then they shoot your film or they do your what you want to do. If they catch you, you're inside trouble.
Those they do
big trouble. So now good thing. Because drones normally, military people use them till they, go to find information and spy, and they use them till they do some kind of badness, some kind of place. Now so before now even military things.
And military people they use them, they detect criminals and all that. The same way criminals they use them.
Say they do bad things too.
Yes.
So now they say okay, to avoid any badness, to avoid anything, you must register your own. Before there was one say okay, you can go ahead to go to do your own things then for outside with the drones them, all right? So that's the information actually, and then we'll finish up the thing. Finish. Thank you very much.
Give us laugh the laugh. Make it not be like say we don't really follow the line of thought.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
If say be dog, you'll be stubborn dog. All those small while I only carry hair plenty.
Okay.
So tell them.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy at Mayowa. Okay. At Mayowa Lambert for Twitter, at Ogbolo for Twitter. Oyana. At Mayowa Ekpo for Instagram, at Ogbolo for Instagram. YouTube.com/Wazobia TV, search for Paddy Paddy. Facebook.com/Wazobia TV, Paddy Paddy. You people should come and be going.
Ladies and gentlemen, get yourself better day. You know, we love all of you now. Keep being there for us and make sure we communicate, you know, via social media, on top Twitter, on top Facebook, and all that level. All right, so get better day. We love you. From myself
Thank you so much for joining us. Same time tomorrow for another edition of the news. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.
What do you want to do?
No.
You just want to show yourself.
Yes.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.